Hello, you're tuning in to What the FFF, a show inspired by the FabFitFun community, where we sit down with experts from our team, founders, and other fun guests to chat about all things beauty, fashion, fitness, home, and wellness. I'm Tasha, I'm the Director of Brand Marketing at FabFitFun, and today I am joined by the lovely Alexandra.
Hi, I'm Alexandra. I'm the Director of Fashion, Fitness, Home, and Tech, and I'm so excited to talk about Customization 3.
Yes, and reminder that if you want a closer look at the products that we're talking about, make sure that you tune in on our YouTube, and if you're not a member yet, we will have a special code for you at the end of the show. So let's talk about these products. First up, we have the Beach Riot Travel Duo.
So this is such a fun, amazing product. This matches back to another Beach Riot product that you will see in Customization 1.
Can't tell you yet.
We can't tell you yet. It is a makeup bag, a travel bag. You can throw these in your beach bag. What we love is that they're stackable. They have this amazing pink velour lining. It fits a ton. It's super spacious. We just think these are such great value.
And something that I look for in my travel bags is they have to have a clear front.
Yes.
Because I am just reaching, going, probably late running to a dinner or something, and I just want to be able to grab whatever I need and see it from the outside in. I also love that these, you don't have to just do beauty products. You can use these as a packing cube if you want. You can put clothes in there, or you could even use it for like your swimsuit or something like that. Just a really good item to have, and the velour is nice and soft, and the color is just so cute, very summery.
Perfect for summer, yeah.
Okay, this next one, our team is raving about already. This is the Arrae Bloat Alchemy Capsules.
So I personally am a huge fan of this brand and product. What's amazing is it reduces bloating, improves digestion. You get 60 capsules within the container, and the ingredients are incredible. So it's plant-based, you get immediate relief. It helps improve your overall microbiome. I personally love taking these when I go out to a big dinner, I'm feeling really overstuffed, or if I eat something that I know I'm particularly sensitive to, these are fantastic for that.
For me, these are gonna be a go-to when I'm traveling and going on a plane, because I don't know about you, the second I step on a plane, something happens. What is it? I don't know, but something happens and I just bloat and balloon up, and you know, we all know what happens next. So this is gonna have dandelion root extract, which is great. It also has peppermint leaf extract, organic bromelain, great ingredients. It is cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, filler-free.
All good things that we love.
This is definitely going in my box. Moving on to a home item, we have the Ririku resin coaster set of 4.
So these are super fun. They're great for your countertop. The color is kind of this like pinky blush tone. They're super solid, thick, and strong. You can hand wash them, wipe with a damp cloth, and what we really like is they have these silicone pads on the bottom, so your drink isn't gonna slide. They're gonna really kind of stick to your table for support.
Yeah, whether you use these as your, your everyday coaster and you have them on your coffee table, or if you're using them more for if you're hosting and having a dinner party or something like that, coasters obviously are a must-have in your home. Love that these ones are neutral and they're just gonna absolutely go with everything.
Yeah, the aesthetic is really easy.
We are bringing back a member favorite brand. This is the Vacation Super Spritz SPF 50 Face Mist.
So this face mist sunscreen is really designed to work well over makeup, so we love that. If you wear makeup to the beach or you're just out and about and want sunscreen, this face mist is perfect for that. It's broad spectrum SPF 50, really good against harmful UVA and UVB rays, and what is the best part is it's water resistant for up to 80 minutes. I personally love this because I can throw it in my bag, spray it when I'm on the go. For anyone who's a mom out there, if you have any kids, it's nearly impossible to put cream sunscreen on a child. And so being able to just spray my son's face really quickly as he's running around, so helpful and important.
Honestly, I'm doing the same for my boyfriend. So even if you don't have kids, I'm constantly trying to get him to wear more sunscreen. And if you're wearing makeup, which I tend to wear a lot of makeup, even if I go to the beach or to the pool, if there's gonna be pictures taken, I might have some makeup on. So instead of having a cream sunscreen that I have to try to reapply, a face mist is going to be clutch.
Totally. This is perfect.
We have another home item. This one is from a brand that we're really excited to bring into the box. This is the Homesick Cheers to You candle.
This candle is incredible. It smells amazing. It has notes of citrus and peony. The wax blend is all natural. It has premium cotton wicks, and the burn time is anywhere from 28 to 32 hours. So you're really gonna get a lot of use out of this. I love the idea of this burning in the house after you come home from the beach, take a long shower. It's just, it smells like summer.
Read your little beach read. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love that, just the vibe and calm of the after beach day.
There's no better feeling.
Nothing better. And I think that a candle might be a little bit unexpected for the summer box. Normally, you know, you would think that you'll see this in the fall or winter box, but candles are a year-round obsession, okay?
I have a candle drawer. I don't know if anyone else does.
I am never quitting my my candle obsession. There's so many good items.
So many good items.
And the next one that we have is from one of our favorite brands. This is the Funboy Pool Float.
So Funboy is such an incredible brand. We're so excited to partner with them. The design was exclusive to FabFitFun, so the merchandising team really worked hard to make sure it was something that felt on trend and fun, but also still neutral enough. We think this is like the best Instagrammable moment.
Yes. If you live by a pool or a beach or a lake or a grassy knoll, or if you have a very large puddle by you, you need a pool float. And Funboy is the premier inflatable brand. They make such high quality inflatables. We've loved working with them. I think that this one is just fun to add to your box.
Just makes you happy.
Moving on to skincare, we have the BYROE Truffle Eye Serum.
So what we love about this eye serum is it absorbs really fast into the skin. It provides long-lasting hydration. It's really good for crow's feet or fine lines and really smoothing under the eye. I love how lightweight it feels on the hand.
It's very, very silky. That skin underneath your eyes is so delicate, and makeup can definitely get into those creases as well. So this is a really good step as you're priming and prepping your face. But you can also use it at night.
At night too.
So both morning and night. This next one, we have never had this type of product in the box. This is the DANNIJO Anklet.
So we are huge fans of this brand. They have been kind of a pioneer in doing really fun, innovative products. The anklet, we feel, is the jewelry piece of summer. I love that we were able to provide an anklet for the box. We've never done that before. The design is super simple, but I like that it has these 2 layers. It's really lightweight, super comfortable. It has the extender, so it can fit all different size anklets, and the clasp just makes it really easy to put on and take off.
Yeah, it really feels like you're getting 2 in 1 because it is layered. I'm a huge anklet fan. I love wearing like a mule style of heel and then wearing an anklet. It kind of gives the illusion of a strap.
Totally.
And it can definitely elevate the look of your heels and kind of like add something different.
Yeah, I love the idea of like throwing this on when you're at the beach or just leaving the beach and going out to dinner. It just really helps complete the outfit.
Fenty is one of our favorite brands, and we have a bunch of Fenty products. I'm excited to get into them. This is the Fenty Beauty Liquid Killawatt Fluid Freestyle Highlighter in Vintage Velour or Hustla Baby.
So Rihanna's iconic highlighter, finally to us in liquid form. We love everything Rihanna does here at FabFitFun. The highlighter is really buildable, it's smooth, it has this really incredible super fine shimmer. It's fluid, non-greasy formula that's very lightweight and non-sticky for all skin tones. I think these both are such pretty shades.
You really can't go wrong with either one. The Vintage Velour is gonna be a more rose gold, pinky type of hue. And then Hustla Baby is very champagne gold toned. So think if you've ever used like Becca Champagne Pop, I believe we had in Boost one time. It's gonna be like that color, but in cream form.
I love that you can put this on top of makeup if you want, you know, more of a like true shine, or you can put it underneath if you want something a little more subtle. Both shades are incredibly beautiful.
We have more products from Fenty. So much Fenty this season. We're so lucky. We have the Cheeks Out Cream Blush in Peach Face or Crush on Cupid.
We love cream-based products here. This is sweat, water-resistant cream blush. It melts into the skin for a wash of color. It works for every skin tone, and I really like that this product is buildable. So even though it looks really saturated, when we do swatches, you'll be able to see that it really blends nicely and creates like such a pretty shine.
Right, so Peach Face is going to be a really nice coral tone, and then Crush on Cupid is gonna be a nice pinky tone little bit of raspberry in there as well. So depending on what colors are gonna look best on you, you could go for that more warm hue, or this other one is a little bit more on the pink side. Plus it's Rihanna.
And it's Rihanna, we love everything she does.
We absolutely love Rihanna. Well, thank you for tuning in. That code that I mentioned in the beginning of the show is Summer Love. Have fun customizing your box. Tell us what you're picking, and we will see you next time.
Thanks for joining us.
Bye.
Bye.